Hi everyone, it's Vinay with My Mortgage Professor. Hope you're doing well. Today I'm talking about the hot topic in the news, which is, of course, tariffs, and today specifically how they might affect the mortgage market. So in 3 to 6 months, expect some government-backed support to aid those who will lose or have lost their jobs and may not be able to make mortgage payments. We're going to see the price of cost of goods and services go up. It's going to be more difficult for people to make their mortgage payments. So we'll see if banks do a deferred strategy. Potentially, we'll see how that pans out. Rates are going to fall, especially those who are holding variable mortgages. So if you weathered the storm over the last couple of years and you still hung on to your variable mortgage, it's some good news for you. You'll probably see the Bank of Canada lower the overnight lending rate, which will in turn lower prime lending rate. And of course, you'll be in a lower variable mortgage. You probably expect to see another 75 to 100 basis point reduction in the variable rate by the end of the year is what most experts are predicting. If you're in a variable rate, you could see variable rate under 4%, which will be a nice surprise for a lot of people who are holding variable. With more debt-backed support, increased unemployment, lower GDP, there's a very strong possibility of a recession, in which case rates have to come down. I've been reading some articles about Ontario and their condo market, which is going to be in big trouble here pretty soon. Also in BC, of course, you're going to see those two markets being affected a little bit more as the future is a little bit more uncertain over there, and the possibility of owning a home becomes a little unclear. So some prudent measures that I've come up with are keep 6 to 12 months emergency savings. I'd side on the latter and stick with 12 months emergency savings or contingency savings if you can. If you're a rental property owner or landlord, you want to keep at least 3 months of emergency savings per property saved in a separate bank account. The rental market may slow down here as well. And of course, call your broker if you want to talk about saving some monthly payments or lowering monthly payments. Brokers are always a great resource for you. Anyways, I'm always here to help. It's 403-690-7376, or you can reach me by email, Vinay@mymortgageprofessor.ca. Thanks for watching.